guys, so today I'm just going to do a quick get ready with me. Hope you guys all had a fun and safe 4th of July, considering this is going to be going up after. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and update you guys on some stuff that's been going on. I know it's been so long since I filmed, so I just wanted to give you a little update. Hopefully I will be filming more now soon, that I'm going to have more time soon, so yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look and just hear what's been going on with me, go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so it's been a while, obviously. I haven't posted a video in a very long time. I don't have a super great excuse or super exciting excuse, except that I've just been crazy busy with school and like work. So basically my whole life, Monday through Friday, is I'm at school all day, and then as soon as I get off school, I go to work for a few hours. So weekends I kind of just get to like veg out, and I've been wanting to film on weekends. It's just I haven't had the like energy to. P.S. if you guys hear the fan in the background, it's because it's too damn hot to not have the fan on. So I apologize if the fan noise bothers you. More exciting note, I am finished with school in a little over a week. So like a week and a half I'll be graduated. So I'll hit my hours, and then I'll just be able to get to like go back to school, chill, practice skateboard. Got my skateboard date. I'm terrified. But once I take it and hopefully I pass, I will be an official esthetician. So that's exciting. I've been starting to like look into places where I'd like to work and stuff like that, and it's just weird. It's getting crazy real, you guys. I have not sat down with you guys in so long and done my makeup. I actually haven't been wearing makeup. I know, never thought I'd be a girl that doesn't wear makeup. But I've just been going out like this because my skin's been doing pretty well lately, if I do say so myself. I barely ever wear makeup anymore. When I do, it's like when Braden and me go out with his mom, or I go out to dinner with friends or anything like that. That's about it. And then some days like I'll wear a BB cream to school if I know we're gonna have clients that day, just so I look a little bit alive and awake. That's about it. It's been real simple. I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Foundation because my foundation favorite has not changed yet. Hoping that I'll be able to have more time to film because I won't be working in school anymore. Something else that's kind of exciting that's been going on is me and Braden have been doing the keto diet. I know it's like everybody's doing that right now. It's such a thing to, it's like just become such a thing. But I was just researching about it, and I've heard about it before because I know there's people that have been put on like put on this diet by doctors and stuff for things like PCOS. And then I have a few people I know that used to do like bikini modeling and stuff. And I remember them always like posting about their keto diet. So I've heard of it before, but I never like really looked into it. And then I was watching Lester Lux here on YouTube, and she totally inspired me to do the keto diet myself, and just like she motivated me because I've gained so much weight since last year. It's ridiculous. My big problem is that I just let myself, like I was letting myself eat out way too much. Me and Brian both were eating out way too much, which it's a slippery slope from there, you guys. It's just a slippery slope. And I just wasn't really paying attention to what I was eating. I hadn't weighed myself since like the wedding time, like around the wedding. That was crazy. After watching her video, I was like, I feel the same way. I just didn't feel good about myself anymore. And I wanted to just get back to feeling confident again with my body and myself, and I'm slowly getting there, slowly. We've been on it for almost 2.5 weeks now. But yeah, I've lost a good amount of weight. I'm vlogging it, so we'll see if I feel confident enough to post it once I hit that 30-day point. Yeah, but I've lost a good amount of weight. Feeling better about myself already. Braden's lost how much weight, baby?
17 pounds.
Braden's lost 17 pounds in 2.5 weeks. That's ridiculous. I have not lost that much, but I still lost a good amount, okay? Guys just lose weight easier than girls. It's not fair. I really like the keto diet though. Like I used to always do low carb. Braden's shaving in the background, so. But I used to always do low carb, so it's not that different except you're eating more fats. And I'm not doing it super strict. I'm doing it like average, because I know there's some people that do it where there's no sugar at all, but I'm letting myself have berries. So that's the only thing I'm eating. Some people do no fruit at all. I'm just doing berries. But it's been working. I have these, like, my favorite thing to make is these, I guess you can call them like a fat bomb smoothie. I put like 2 or 3 strawberries in it. If not strawberries, I'll do like a little bit of raspberries or a little bit of blueberries. But then I mix that with heavy cream and almond milk and ice. And then I do about like a good big spoonful of coconut oil. And I just mix that together. It makes a little smoothie. And I drink it, and it's been really helping me get my fats in by drinking that, because it has like the coconut oil, which is a really healthy fat. So yeah, that's what's been going on with me for the most part. School's been really fun though. I think that's one of the reasons like my skin's been looking a lot better though, is because I finally have like a really, not like an amazing understanding, because you're always going to be learning, but like I have a pretty good understanding of skin and skincare products, and I know what ingredients to look for now. If you guys like, I can do an updated skincare routine video. I did one a long time ago, like a long time ago. So if you guys would like that, let me know. I just used the Laura Mercier powder. I'm gonna set this a little bit so it stays on the most of the day. We're gonna definitely use the Jaclyn palette because it has those like blues that I love up in here. Close the window so you don't hear all the outside noise anymore. I'm gonna set that using my Kat Von D powder. Like, I haven't talked to you guys in so long that I don't know like what I've told you guys and what I haven't told you guys. So school's a big thing that's been going on the last few months. But I really like it. I love like giving facials. It's just so much fun, and it's so amazing to see somebody's skin change like once you find products that really work for them. And just, oh, I love it. And like having someone leave and feel so good about themselves and so confident in their skin is amazing. It's not always that way. Like obviously there's some people that we have that come in and we need to work on them a few times before we can get there, and we really need to find a routine that helps them at home. Your skincare routine at home is just like so important, and finding out what works for you and works for your skin is so important as well. Putting this guy in the crease below that. I have a 5-day weekend off from school this weekend, so I plan on filming a pretty good amount for you guys, hopefully, so I don't go so long again without posting anything. This guy next, it's red shade, it's a little bit deeper, blue shade right here, and we're gonna pack that on. I'm gonna take the blending brush, blend out the edges, and put a little bit of this lighter blue on it just to give it that two-tone effect. I'm gonna take my fluffy little baby blending brush. This is my Morphe M321. I'm gonna take the black shade just because I want to give it a little bit of depth. And we're just gonna put this in the outer as I poke myself in the eye. Good job, Victoria. I don't want to talk too much about the keto diet since I'm doing the vlog. I don't really need to be talking about it that much, because I don't want to get repetitive if I post that one. Here's the crazy thing. So I was doing research on it, and I was reading that a lot of times doctors will put their Alzheimer's patients on it, or people who have any kind of like brain issues or anything, because eating more healthy fats and running off of healthy fats can help your brain productivity, from what I was reading. Do your own research. And I definitely feel way more alert. My brain feels way more like responsive. I don't have that brain fog like I used to get every once in a while. This is the most crazy thing though. Since we started doing the diet, I have not had one migraine, which is a huge deal for me because anybody who's been watching my old videos or previous videos, I used to get migraines like 2 to 3 times a week. Like that was just normal for me. I just figured that was my life. That's how it was going to be. And for me to go from that to now, like not to have one migraine for me in over 2.5 weeks doesn't seem like a lot to some people, but that's like a really big deal for me. So I'm using the, what is this? L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer. I think I'm the shade Dark Brunette, yeah. My hair is pretty dark. Do you guys ever have a brow that you just can never seem to cooperate with properly? That's this one for me, and I just always don't like how it looks. I mean, it'll work. Using the Kat Von D eyeliner as always. I'll powder the heck out of my face today because it's hot. And I know if I don't, I'm just gonna become a greasy oily mess. So I'm using the Kat Von D powder. Bronzer. This is the butter bronzer. This is like my 3rd one. I'm obsessed with this one. I feel like it looks the best. I'm gonna really bronze up the skin. Forehead. I always go all the way across because I have a larger forehead for sure. So I want to make that look as small. Okay, we're gonna take our blush palette by Tarte. Gonna go in with the same blush I always use. Well, actually, I think I'm gonna highlight with this guy too. Yeah, I'm gonna take this highlight. It's the Worthy one. We're just gonna brighten up our eye with that guy. Yeah, like that. Okay, I'm gonna take my Morphe M432. My Morphe M321. And I'm just gonna take the same shade that we use as our transition shade. Oh, that's a little too much though. A little too much. And we're just gonna buff that out a little bit. And now we just need mascara and highlight. Oh, and sunscreen. You guys, it is so important to wear sunscreen. I was so bad about it for so long, but now that like I've been educated, I'm just like always wearing sunscreen. This is my favorite one that I've been using lately. It's the Tarte Guard. It has SPF 30 in it. It's a powder. And you just brush it on top of your skin. That way it doesn't mess up your makeup, but you're protected from the skin all day. But you're protected from the sun all day. Your skin's protected all day. And it doesn't have flashback. So I really like this guy. That's what I've been using to protect my skin. Because do you realize that by the time we're 18, we have like 80% of our sun damage already, so I'm trying to prevent any further sun damage. That was not good with my skin. I'm gonna wear false lashes today. Just too much work. This is the NYX retractable lip liner in the shade Sienna. I'm gonna do the Smashbox one just because it's the most vibrant. I'm doing that guy. You guys believe that my 1-year anniversary is already coming up for my wedding? It's crazy. How did the year go by so quick? So quick. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up a red lipstick. I'm gonna go with cheerleader because I know it's kiss proof. I know it'll last while I eat. I'm gonna put Vibin on top of it just to mute it down a little bit. Okay, I'm just gonna spray my face. Favorite setting spray as of late still. I'm pretty sure it was last time I filmed. This one's out though, so you best know I have a backup. Take the brown. I got layers in it again. I love it. Love it. A girl at school cut it for me and she did such a good job. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and change real quick and then I'll be back to say goodbye. So that is it for this look. This is the completed finished look. I did put a little bit more cheerleader in the middle of my lips, so it would brighten it up a little bit more again. It was starting to look a little too vampy for 4th of July, but we know I like a dark lip, so. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I missed you guys so much, and I'm really excited to start filming for you guys again. So yeah, let me know what you want to see. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you like this video and want to see more of my videos, go ahead and click that subscribe button. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye!